So guys, open any browsers to Google search box, search like you can see here Lenovo ThinkPad P16 and go to this first URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. So you can see this guys, if you showing here your different system, so no worry, you just enter your laptop serial number and then click to search here and hit enter. Okay, it will show your system which is you put your device serial number. After that you can see this is all the separate drivers showing here. Audio driver, just single click to icon, this is audio driver and then click to download. You can see here this is downloading. Wait few seconds to download. After that I guide you how to install. Then single click to setup. Then yes. Then next. I accept. Next. Select the install. Next. Install. When it is completed guys, restart your system. Okay, this is mandatory because overrely in the driver the system